Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing and giving you a tour of my 2019 Equinox. I just got it last night, New Year's Eve, and I really like it. So this is what the 2019 looks like, and I'm going to show you the inside also. And this is the inside. This is identical to mine that I'm going to show you in just a minute when I go outside. But I just got it last night and it was around 5 or 6 in the evening. And this is going to be the first time when I actually see it in the light of day. And this one is gray. And I've also had the 2015 Equinox and I've had the 2017. So I'm going to look at the slight changes in the body style just to let you guys see. So this is the first Equinox that I had, the 2015, and the 2015 and the 2017 I had were black, so I tried to be a little brave this time and get a different color, so I got gray, so at least it's not black. So let's look at the slight differences. We're going to compare the 2015, the 2017, and the 2019. So there's the 2015, here's the 2017, and this is my exact vehicle, the 2019, and I'm not sure if you can tell the drastic body changes, but I can definitely tell from having all three. And I'm going to go over some of the new features too before I go outside and show you my new vehicle because there's so many new features that I know I'm going to forget, so let's go over a few. Okay, so here's some of the features on mine. I have what's called the convenience package. So the main things that was really important to me that I really wanted, I needed the heated seats. So mine has the heated seats on both sides, the driver and the passenger. Of course, it has the remote start. And one new feature that I was really unsure of that I thought I would hate, I actually like. Now let me take you guys outside and show you. First, here's what the keys look like, which I really do not like these keys. I'm glad I don't even need to use them. With my 2015 and my 2017, it was the kind of like the switchblade keys. Do you guys know what I mean? You push the button and the key pops out. Well, I'm going to show you how to use these keys if you need to. I'm going to show you guys. This was like really hard to do. I even had to do it off camera. So this is what you're going to do. Do you see this little silver button right here? It's inside and it's really kind of hard to push. So like I'm going to show you when I go outside, and it separates. So I don't like that at all. I mean, who thought of this concept? I don't know. But I really do like the switchblade type key better, where you just push the button and the key pops out. So now if you ever need to use your key, it separates, which I don't like. And this little button right here is really hard to push. But thankfully with this vehicle, you don't even need this key, and I'm going to show you. You're basically only going to need it to open the door and start the vehicle, like with a remote start. Guys, so here is the front of the vehicle. Here is the side. And here is the back, and I'm going to show you the inside. I'm going to show you some of the features that I really love, and one that I thought I would hate, but I actually really like it. So now I'll show you the inside. So one of the first features that I want to show you guys that I really love is, like I said, you no longer need the key, so they are all push start now. So that's good. And one of the other features that I really like is you can actually control your radio with buttons on the back side of your steering wheel. So you can adjust the volume and you can actually even change the stations. So that's really good. That's a really good safety feature. That way you never have to take your eyes off the road. And there's numerous things on this radio touchscreen that I have to figure out, because it is a lot different than the 2015 and the 2017. But one of the features that I thought I would hate, I'm going to tell you guys right now in case you're not used to it. Every time that you stop at a stoplight, your vehicle is going to turn off. So that is the stop start feature. So when the salesman was sitting right here explaining all the features, he was telling me that. And I was like, so okay, every time that I stop at a stoplight, my vehicle's going to turn off? He's like, yep. I was like, is there an option to turn that feature off? He's like, no. All the vehicles are going to be like that now. Supposedly it's going to save gas. That's a good thing. But, you know the strange thing, as I was driving home, I did not notice it because the vehicle runs so smooth, and the way it stops and starts, you don't notice it. So by the time I was even driving home, I was already used to that feature. So there's a lot more features. I can go on, but I don't want to make this video really long and boring. Basically what I'm saying is this is a very, very nice vehicle for not an expensive price. So this is a really reasonable priced vehicle. I like to lease, so I lease a new vehicle every 2 years because I think I would always lease because I get tired of vehicles really easy. So by the time I come, to the end of my lease, I'm already ready for another one, which is great. And the price is so much cheaper, so that's why people lease too. It is way cheaper than purchasing. So your lease payment is always going to be a lot less than, if you was purchasing the vehicle. And I'll show you one other thing. So you see my remote is right there in my seat, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and turn off my vehicle, right? I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to try to leave, and I'm going to get out, but it should tell me that my remote was left in my vehicle. That's what it was telling me. I don't know why. Let me see. I don't know why it did that, but let's see. Okay, yeah, okay, it told me now. My remote is left in the vehicle. That way you will never leave your keys in the car. So that's just one of the really cool features. I wish I could go on, but it's snowing. I'm in Michigan and it's freezing. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.